Page 73, Playing Triplets. Well, there's nothing really new here other than you're playing both hands at the same time, but the rhythm-wise, they're just triplets. So let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. This happens to be in the key of C major and C minor, actually, because in the second line you see all the E flats. They take the middle note down. That puts it in the key of C minor. However, for the scales, just do the C major and A minor. Stick with the key signature on those. And 2/4 time signature, and we do have triplets here. We're on page 72. None of those were triplets. These are all triplets. 1 and 2 and right hand. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You get the idea? And then the second line is the same thing except you're playing E flats. There. Left hand is playing the same notes down here. Just different fingers. And then second line again, E flat. So when you put the hands together, you're playing the same notes. Second line, that's all they are. Just more exercise in playing triplets. 1 and 2 and, or triplet, however you count them. Now for articulation, they're giving you, yeah, these, you lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Yeah, lift up between phrases, like taking a breath. You're just cutting the quarter note a little bit short, so you get time to lift up. Then the dynamics, well, the first line is loud. It's going to be both hands here. Whatever you think loud is, not super loud, just loud. The second line is soft. The idea is you get practice of playing loud and soft. And hopefully you're practicing loud and soft when you do the scale. Practice the scales loud and soft. Practice on page 72 when you're doing that stuff. Practice that loud and soft. As far as how fast you go, it's entirely up to you. Just they have to be even. You want to go slow? It's up to you. They don't really sound like triplets that way. It sounds like more like 6/8 time. If you're 1 and 2. For a million years, then you can kind of rattle it off. You don't have to take that fast. It all needs to be controlled. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Give the first note of each triplet just a little bit. Just a little bit. I mean, exaggerate it if you need to at first, but eventually you want to get to where you're feeling that 1, 2, 2 on this. Let's play it together very slowly and just to check the note. The rhythm should be a problem. I'll do the notes. I won't do any louds and softs, but we will do the repeat. So I'll give us 2 counts because it's in 2/4 time. Ready and go and 1.